D.L. Woods here, your favorite cousin, day trader. Let's go. Welcome to my crib. So check this out, 5% of the market, they really are going to have the time, the patience, and the passion to really master this skill set. While the other 20%, they're gonna learn how to be efficient in the market. But 75% of the people, they don't have the time, they don't have the patience, and they don't have the passion to really learn this. So guess what? They just wanna watch and make money. So up until this point, we only had something for people who wanted to learn and wanted to master. I'm about to introduce to the world and to you guys, MLT Watch, so you can watch and make money with us. You're gonna watch a professional trader like myself, just mark up charts and get straight to the bag. As a matter of fact, come follow me, I'll show you what I do. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, I gotta catch this for the live. I gotta catch this for the people on live. If you made money, put a $sign in the chat. Put a $sign in the chat. Let's go. Hey, what I want you guys to do is click the link below so that you can actually get started with the MLT Watch program. See y'all at the top. Peace.